guys, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Wednesday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you're like me, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. Today, I want to talk about my luxury wish list 2024. I did the same video in the year 2023 and I found it really helpful. First of all, it kept me on track with all my desired purchases and didn't allow me to go all over the place with all my impulse buys. I'm really bad with those ones. Secondly, it helped me to manage my budget and my expectations as well. I'm going to divide this video into 3 categories: jewelry, SLGs, small leather goods, and bags. As always, I'm going to leave all links below in the description box so you can easily shop this video and check out all the products closely. In the first category, jewelry, I only have one item. But what item? It's a Cartier clash ring. After I made my first Cartier purchase last year, and it was a Just un Clou ring in the small size. If you haven't seen an unboxing video of this ring, I'm going to leave a link below for you to check this out. And I'm telling in all details in this video about my Cartier experience. Spoiler, it was amazing. Since then, I fell in love with a Cartier as a brand. And a couple of months ago, when I was transferring through the Istanbul airport and I had a couple of hours of layover in between my flights, I just popped into the Cartier boutique and was just trying different rings, Just un Clou with the diamonds, because maybe it's a time to upgrade my Just un Clou to the next level. Sales assistant offered me to try a clash ring. He asked me, he said, "Have you ever tried this ring? Have you seen that before?" And I'm like, "Oh no," and I've never thought about the clash ring before that event. I did try it and I fell in love, and since then I couldn't stop thinking about that. At the moment, I haven't decided about the size because I know that the clash ring is recommended to take the size down to your usual Cartier size. So I need to try them on and I need to find my perfect size, 1. And 2, I haven't decided what size I'm going to for. It's going to be a small version or it's going to be a bigger version of the clash ring. And thirdly, I haven't decided about the gold. Is it going to be a gold metal, rose gold, or white gold? So I'm going to attend the Cartier boutique very soon, fingers crossed, and I'm going to try all that on and I'm going to decide what gold and what size I'm going for with a clash ring. And obviously, as always, if it's going to be any purchase there and tick my first item of the wish list, I'm going to update you on that. In category number 2, SLGs, we have one new item and one item which traveled from the last year wish list. The very new item on the SLG part of my luxury wish list, it's a CELINE belt. Very particular one, 2.5 centimeters width in the size 80 with a Triomphe buckle there. Guys, again, same thing. In Istanbul airport, I tried that belt and again, same thing. I couldn't stop thinking about it. The only thing that stopped me from buying the belt at that point was that they didn't have my size in black color. They only had it in the different tan colors and different leathers, but just a regular one in the black leather, 2.5 in 80. This size in the black leather is available on CELINE website, and I don't know what stopped me from buying it from the website directly. I think in the way, by putting this on my luxury wish list, it's me allowing myself to buy that finally and tick that off my wish list. And the item number 2 on the SLG part of the luxury wish list, which traveled from the last year wish list, is Chanel flap card holder, the classic one. As I mentioned in the last year, it doesn't matter what color it's going to be, I just want that tiny little Chanel item. After my experience with the Chanel boutique in a Dubai mall, in the March last year. I'm not a massive fan of the Chanel as a brand. Their customer service wasn't great, to the point that I even didn't make it inside the boutique. My experience ended in the massive queue to the boutique. But the queue in the boutique is also part of the customer service, and this is what I think sometimes the luxury brands forget. And what impression that you made in that queue also will be transferred to the brand itself. That one of the reasons, to be honest, sometimes you ask me why I don't have any Chanel bags in my collection, or why I don't mention any Chanel bags or dream about any Chanel bags. This is one of the reasons. I do not like their customer experience, and at this particular stage I'm not prepared to invest thousands, literally thousands, with the current pricing, thousands pounds into the bag with a customer service which I don't like. Unlike, for example, DIOR, which customer service I love and respect. But at the same time, I do dream about this tiny little SLG with a flap card holder. And maybe when I'm going to purchase that in the shop, the whole experience will be completely different, and maybe I will change my opinion about the Chanel as a brand. I will keep you updated. And we are moving to the part number 3, the third category here, and it's bags, my favorite category. And here again I have a new item and 2 items that they traveled from the last year wish list as well. On the place number 3, and they go in this particular order from the least desirable to the most desirable item on the list. On the place number 3, we have Fendi Peekaboo bag in mini or small size, and I'm looking for a olive green or khaki color. Those particular colors I have in my mind, and tone to tone separation thing in the middle, not tortoise, no, 100% no. And I'm looking for this bag on the second hand market, pre-loved market. And the reason for that unfortunately Peekaboo bags, amazing quality, classic bags, they do not hold their value when they travel from the brand new bags in the Fendi boutique to the second-hand market. The price draw between those 2 categories, massive. And therefore I'm prepared, and I really want to find a gem Peekaboo small or a mini bag in khaki or olive green, or any something stone that's that sort of color. They are neutral, but they are not as usual as your black or a white or a cream or a beige colors. That's my bag number 3 on the dream list, on the luxury wish list. On the place number 2, here we have a bag which traveled from the last year wish list, and it's a Bottega Veneta Jodi bag. Do you remember I mentioned last year that I couldn't decide between a small size and the teen size? Small size is not very popular, and sometimes I've encountered that last year when I was inquiring about this bag. Shops didn't have them in stock because it's not the popular size, and that's why for many weeks and many months I couldn't even try and compare teen and the small size in the shop because they simply didn't have that. And even at that point I even didn't think about the particular color until again Istanbul airport layover, and I tried both of the sizes in the Bottega Veneta boutique. Istanbul airport is just perfect for that. They literally have every single boutique, you name it. Back to my story. So I tried small and teen Jodi from Bottega Veneta, and I realized that with me tend to wear more oversized jackets, oversized jumpers, small size with a bigger drop. The capacity is very similar between 2 bags, but the bigger drop on the small Jodi bag allows me to wear that more comfortably on my shoulder. And that's how I intend to wear this bag. I've decided it's going to be a small size of Jodie bag, and I've decided on the color. Do you remember again, like last year I was saying no more black bags, and I stick to this rule, guys, no more black bags in year 2024. Therefore, my choice for the Jodie small bag is going to be a fondant chocolate color. It's a really nice deep brown, beautiful, and when I looked at that, it does remind me a nice dark chocolate. Absolutely love this color. Again, I tried that in the Istanbul airport, and this is what I'm going to stick at. And in this particular case, again, because the small size is not very popular at all, most likely with this particular bag, I'm going for the brand new from the shop. Again, here I also allow myself the lifetime guarantee from the Bottega Veneta, which will belong to my name and to this particular bag. And with this thought, we're moving to place number 1, which is the same from the last year, and it's a Dior saddle bag in the regular size. I'm still obsessed with that bag, and I still have that in my mind, and I still want this bag really much. With the recent price increase at Dior, I think most likely with this particular bag, I will go for the pre-loved market. Again, Dior is not the best brand in relation to holding a value going from the brand new bag to the pre-loved market, and you can find a really good deals on the pre-loved market for the Dior bags. I'm on my hand. It's a non-stop operation, but I'm on my hand for the perfect Dior saddle bag in the medium size with a great price and the great color. As much I love Dior saddle bag, as much I don't like this bag in the black color. So 100% not the black color for Dior saddle bag. And in here, I'm looking into the navy, sage green, olive green, or deep red burgundy color in this particular order. So this is what my hand about in relation to Dior saddle bag. And one thing I really want to mention in this luxury wish list video. Yes, I do have my luxury wish list. Yes, I'm going to stick to that. But this year, I'm allowing myself a one wild card. One impulse buy, and I think I'm going to keep this wild card for my bag. I'm going to do the video of the new bags of 2024, which excites me. Stay tuned, and maybe one of my wild card bags are going to be from this list. And that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know where to find thumbs up, subscribe button, notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!